BT-T7 Through Coating Ultrasonic Thickness Gauge Operation Video. The new instrument is calibrated before leaving the factory. No additional calibration is required. It can be used directly. Connect the instrument and the connector correctly. The probe with the red marking should be on the left side. The probe without any marking should be on the right side. Plug and unplug directly. Do not rotate. Press the power button to start the instrument. Turn on the backlight display. For steel materials, no calibration is needed. Apply coolant on the workpiece. Place the probe vertically on it. The workpiece thickness will be displayed. There are two modes in the instrument. The default mode is the through coating mode. Press the menu key to toggle between the two modes. Standard mode measures the side without coating. Through coating mode measures the other side through coating. The readings from both sides are the same. For unknown material sound velocity, use the reverse sound velocity measurement method. Obtain the actual thickness using a caliper. Press the Cal key to enter the sound velocity calibration interface. Use the left or right arrow keys to select the digit to change. Use the up arrow key to input the actual value. Press the Enter key. Apply coolant and place the probe steadily on the position with the known thickness. The instrument automatically calibrates the sound velocity for the workpiece. You can then measure materials of the same type but with different thicknesses.